Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the most powerful 160cc bike, the TVS Apache RTR 164V. We will see what all features we get in this bike. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we get the bulb indicator as well as we get the DRLs. We will get the fully LED headlamp in this bike. So like this headlamp we will get in this bike, and the brightness in the night is quite great. On the front mudguard we will get the TVS Racing sticker. Talking about the front wheel, here we get the pedal disc, and this bike will come with the single channel ABS. On the front and the rear wheel we will get the rim tapes, which gives the sporty look to the bike. Front tire will come with 90 by 90 section 17 inches of tubeless tire. This is the left side profile view of Apache 164V. So like this fuel tank we will get on the bike with the white graphics, as well as the horse is the 3D logo, which gives the premium look to the bike. We will get the 12 liters of fuel tank. Now if you see, here we get the engine cowl as well, on which Hyper Edge is written. Now talking about the engine capacity, this bike will come with 159.7cc of engine, which will generate maximum power of 17.6 PS and maximum torque of 14.7 Newton meters. So we will get the middle part in this silver color on which the Apache is written. So there is a color combination of red, white and black on the bike. Below the pillion seat we will get the RTR 164V sticker. Below that we will get the Sari guard, and in this bike we will get the tire hugger as well. This bike comes with the open chain system, so you have to take care of your chain. You have to clean and lube the chain after 400 to 500 of kilometers. We will get the LED tail lamp in this bike. So everything is in the LED, so only the bulb indicators we get. So now talking about the rear wheel, on the rear also we get the pedal disc. But as I said, this bike comes with the single channel ABS. In the rear we get the 130 by 70 section on 17 inches of tubeless tire. So the best part I liked about this bike, so in this bike we get the dual barrel exhaust, and the exhaust note is quite bassy. Also we get the monoshock suspension in this bike, which is great that 160cc bikes are offering the monoshock suspension. In the Pulsar we still don't get the same. So guys, in this bike you only get the self start option, you don't get any kind of kick to start the bike. So now coming towards the instrument console, in this bike we get the fully digital instrument console. This bike doesn't come with any kind of Bluetooth connectivity. We get almost everything, every information on the instrument console. So on the fuel tank we get the red, white and black color combination, which looks really great. As I mentioned earlier, we will get the 12 liters of fuel tank, and the mileage is around 50 to 55 kmpl. So around 600 kilometers of range you will get with this bike, which is great. So now talking about the buttons on the handlebar, we will get the passing light, low beam, high beam, indicator and the horn button on the left side, and in the right side we get the engine kill switch with the self start button. So the mirrors are quite great of this bike. You will not face any kind of issue while riding on the highway. The rear view is clearly visible through the mirrors. So talking about the seat, we don't get any kind of split seat in this bike, though the cushioning is quite great. I like the cushioning, and the rider's seat is quite spacious and narrow, so it will be comfortable for the rider to ride the bike for the longer time. But the pillion seat is quite small is what I felt. So if you are going for the longer ride, pillion may not be that comfortable. So guys, the on-road price of this bike is around 1.35 lakhs, which may get vary according to state. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So guys, we will meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.